Sportbet is a well-regarded sportsbook that is a sister company to Five Dimes. Sportbet is also located in the Five Dimes facility out of San Jose, Costa Rica. Today we'll be taking you through a quick tour through their website. This is the front page of Sportbet. The sportsbook software is made by ASI and login is located in the top right-hand corner. Enter your username and password. Choose if you would like to be taken to the Sportsbook homepage or a specific location, such as the casinos or poker room, and click Login. To make a wager, first click on one of the checkmark boxes next to your desired sport and hit Continue. Note that you can click more than one sport at a time. From here, choose your bet type and enter the amount you wish to wager and click Continue. Enter your password as a security measure and to confirm your wager. The left-hand sidebar shows a feature called Dynamic Lines, which allows players to view line moves in real time. If you want to visit the casino, Sportbet offers 3 types of casinos, including a downloadable casino called Grand Casino. They also offer other features such as poker, mini-games, a racebook, and a lottery. The cashier is also located on the top navigation bar, offering various payment options. To learn more about Sportbet, read our full review at sportsbookreview.com.